Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel Epic Breaks. I've got a good one for you today, another session of the Rack Pack Attack. We have got 90 Fleer basketball. So obviously seeing if we could possibly pull some Jordans. You got Shawn Kemp's rookie cards in here. I don't think this is the update set, so I don't think this one has the Gary Payton rookie card. But yeah, let's get this bad boy opened up. Be careful not to hurt the cards. All right, this is 45 cards. I think honestly, I paid like maybe $9 and something on the eBay for this one. So all right, guys, we'll go ahead and just go through all these at once, all 45 of them. All right, so we've got Sam Mitchell, Bill Hanzlik, Otis Smith. Here, I'll tell you what, let's make it a little easier to deal with here. Otis Smith, Dennis Hobson, R.N. Gillen, Tom Hammonds, Danny Manning. Got one behind it here. Sarunas Markalonis, Rick Mahorn, Mitchell Wiggins, Kevin Willis, Herb Williams, Rick Smits, Jim Paxson, Nate McMillan. Oh, we got an all-star here. All right, all-star Patrick Ewing. All right, we'll put a Patrick up here. Why not? Xavier McDaniel and Todd Murphy. Get a little bit more of them here. All right. Lafayette Lever. Oh, David Robinson. I believe this is his rookie card as well. Oh, no. No, this will be a second year David Robinson. This one would be. Put him right there. Fred Roberts, Derek Harper, Harold Presley, Ron Cycli, Larry Nance, Terry Porter, Byron Scott. Oh, there it is, guys. Michael Jordan. That's what we're looking for right there. Centering's off, left to right and top to bottom. But, you know, that's okay. It's a Jordan. We will definitely put him up there for sure. All right. Dan Marley. See if we can't pull the all-star one of him as well. Charles Oakley. Bill Laimbeer, one of the bad boys. Danny Ferry. Byron Irvin. AC Green. Horace Grant. All right, last little stack here. Got Eddie Johnson, Mark Jackson, James Edwards, Scott Brooks. Ooh, old school Reggie Miller. Old school Reggie, is that? I don't think that's a rookie. I think he came in earlier. Yeah, that would have been a fourth year card. Joe Klein, Mark Eaton, Buck Johnson, Moses Malone, Hershey Hawkins, and Detlef Schrempf. All right. So, guys, that does it for that rack pack of 90 Fleer. So, we pulled the Patrick Ewing All-Stars, pulled the David Robinson second-year card, and then pulled the ever so iconic Michael Jordan card. All right, so guys, make sure to remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos that we put out. And with that, I'll give you back the rest of your day, and God bless.